Forno Appliances introduces the 30-inch Undercabinet range hood, model FRHUC5255-30WHT. The elegant white finish adds an attractive look to your kitchen design. Includes 2 sets of handles in stainless steel or antique brass. The 4-speed fan control allows for easy operation to adjust the fan speed settings for airflow and ventilation levels according to your needs. Equipped with 2 long-lasting surface lights to provide bright surface illumination while cooking. A powerful energy-efficient 400 CFM, designed to capture smoke, gases, steam and grease to keep your cooking area free of unwanted odors. Commercial-style filters causes oils in the hot air to condensate on the steel. Dishwasher-safe design allows for easy cleaning. Customize the Forno logo badge anywhere on your range hood. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, a new era in cooking appliance.